objective of the game is to score the ping pong ball into the bin. Each of you will have to bounce the ping pong ball onto the board to one another until you score into the bin. Only the last person can score the ping pong ball into the bin. So let's start now.
3, 2, 1, start! Nearer, okay. Okay, go, yeah! 30 seconds. 30 seconds left. 1, 2, 2, 1, start! Okay. Good. Okay. Okay. Go!
From this game, we can see that some of the team members are fast and coordinated, while some are slower. Some of the team members make mistakes which slow the team down, but it's important that other team members continue to support and motivate one another. Everyone has their own strengths and weaknesses. As a team, it's important that each of us understand each other's strengths and weaknesses in order to leverage on one another to improve the overall team performance. That's all for today. Stay tuned for more.